Yo. Yeah. Yo, otasukbe wan on mafwa. Yeah. What's so no, Anna? What did it happen? What's so no? Let's know what's up. Yeah, let's know what's up. What did it happen? Doris Day, where you now? Make like base for you. Share this video. I'm gonna tear am. I'm gonna tear am. Chief Eze, respect. The first person to come my platform, respect. Yeah, I hate. Oh, but what did it happen? What did they sup? I do people wait dey London. What did it happen? Yeah, Corey dey here. Corey, you dey London there. What did it happen? Corey, Mona tell me what did they happen. Wetin dey sup? Una no dey wake up. Una no wan hear word. Una no wan wake up. Wetin Obaseki don do una dey give am award for London there? Abi una wan go all of una don dey want to say me una wan dey change the better men. If that see make I tell una wey dey London una wey dey London na my big fan o. Understand? Na my big fans. But I no believe say many people wey go school like una call dey mockery like this. You understand? Wetin dey happen with you sef? Why una your reason say me Obaseki una wan give am award for London? For wetin na? Wetin he don do for una wey una wan give am award for? Wetin he don do? Na so una take do Obaseki do Ojibole wey dem dey call Osomole come go use our money take build another country for inside Edo State. Na so Osomole carry our money go take buy airline for him wife country. Na so Osomole carry our money take go buy refinery for him wife country. Just when I just say clap and follow them so. Wetin Obaseki don give una when I wan give am award for people wey dey London. Come Mona wise o. See if you dey Europe here, you no dey think how your state, why your country, why people wey dey your country want it better, and you no dey think they feel say you wan dey remain alone, make you dey shop alone, make that country dey like that, make dem for dey call you oga. My brother and sister, your wealth you go all of them go rubbish. Because these things wey una dey do so e no dey good again. E no good again because we dey vex. Even if we catch them, we go dey beat them. Na just una dey arrange dem go dey give them award. Which award dem wan give them? Which award dem wan give them people wey dey London? Mona wake up now. Mona comot for this una hold analog thinking. Mona think how the country wan take dey okay once. Who should be Obaseki? Una go dey give Obaseki award. Wetin Obaseki don do? Obaseki na dey rule so wey be say erosion dey carry people house. Boys dey kill themselves every day by day for street. Dem wan go celebrate and join that one. Who dey Nigeria will stop celebrating criminals? Who dey are you people going to stop celebrating criminals? These people, they are thieves, they are demons, they are killing your brothers and sisters every day. We are welcoming them in UK to give them award. What kind of fucking award are you going to give Obaseki? Why? Why you people are not thinking right? Why you people are not thinking out of box? Why you people are not thinking out of box? Why you people are crazy, man? This is crazy. Why they give award to who? To who for what? For what did he do? For what did he do? For what did he do? For what did Obaseki do for God's sake? What did Obaseki do for that state? For God's sake. What did Obaseki don't do for una for God's sake? You dey abroad there, you dey sleep with like 24 hours. You dey abroad there, you dey pass good road. You dey abroad there, you no get work, the government dey give you money. You dey abroad there, your pikin dey receive money wey no be say you no work put. You dey abroad there, everything dey go well for you. Then you dey ask, then they show you the video, then they show you the bad road, the bad electricity wey dey, don't stay there. The kind illumination wey dey, don't stay there. Now I see they carry out the corner to come give her award. When we don't say time, don't need to dey beat there. We don't declare. There is very soon now we will declare the politician. Anyone we see was you going to beat them. Be you my state governor, be you anything. Because the way they humiliate us in that country is too bad. And those states are the people who have the highest humiliation in that country, Nigeria. And those states they never do anything good to us. Everything they do to us is just to destroy, kill our children. Send our children to desert to go and die in desert. Give them gun to kill themselves. Give finish school with that job. Man, I don't people wey dey London, man, not disgrace me, oh. I too love una, man, not try to disgrace me. Man, wey dey London, I not go dive, I'm gonna ask her why be say man Nigeria. Till now, listen, may I tell you the fact, Obaseki is in the post, Osomole was there, they are the same, because it's the same party that come. APC is the party that have been ruling Edo State for a very long time. PDP just rule for 8 years, APC take over. Till now, they are still ruling us. What is happening? And the state is not going well. Nobody can even ask question. All you need to do, just to take Obaseki to London, to go and give him a fucking dirty, stupid, ugly, dirty award. Man, you guys, you wake up. You guys should start thinking out of box. You guys start thinking, what do we do to change that state? Because these people, you people are annoying. You are giving award to a criminal. It's a crime. It's a crime. It's a crime. If you dare among the people who want to give that award, I swear to God, if you not give Obaseki that award, all of una money go scatter. All of una money go scatter. All of una wealth go. They are among the place where they want to give Obaseki that award. And wallahi, wetin go happen to you this year, you no go even believe. The way you take from nothing to something to become nothing, you no go believe. The children when they die every day, their head they cry. The children when they die every day, they cry. Children they cry for grave. Governors they kill our pikin. Obaseki na they share gun. All those PDP na they share gun for our pikin. Bros, good morning.
Good morning. How is everything?
Man, bro, nothing fine.
Don't worry.
Yeah. Hello.
Don't worry. Anybody that disturb Nigeria, God go punish them one by one.
My brother, God go punish them. God go punish those when they support them. Even though you not be inside the government, because you dey abroad, you dey support them, say you get good life. God go punish you. Join them.
You know why all these people they do like that? If people don't give them money, you understand? If you give them money, now that's where did they call this in Nigeria here? If you give them money, don't bribe. I don't blame Nigeria people. The Nigeria people, if you see through, cannot talk.
That is the question I'm asking now. The question I'm asking now. Can they tell me the reason why they are inviting Obaseki to honor him? For what? You tell me what governor in Nigeria have done to you. Every governor, every arm of the all of them, they are, see, I will declare them anywhere I catch them for this Europe. I go break their head.
You know me, bros, me, I just come back for China last 2 months. For China. If you see what I saw for China, in fact, I know really surprise everything with I saw. I just come back to Nigeria. I enter our airport. Everything is very darkness. I wait for my luggage. I wait for my luggage just 4 hours. My luggage cannot come.
Just to receive the luggage 4 hours.
Imagine
4 hours.
So
that one I country when it wrong.
Very soon. Just very soon. I saw this guy now. Sowore.
Yes.
The guy is
please. If you people are in Nigeria, please let's change this old man. Yes, let's change this old fools.
Yes, I will support Sowore. Sowore is very nice person. You understand? I know that guy Sowore. That's Sowore. He want to bring the technology in UK or in US. He want to bring it in Nigeria. You understand? So all of us support it.
Become a president today. We have to come home and do whatever we have to speed that country up.
Yes, let all of us. This 2019 now. Let all of us open our eye. Let all of us open our eye.
Nigeria, please open your eye. Open your eye. These people, they are bad people. They are bad people. They are evil. They are bad people. Nigerians, they are bad. They are part of the estate. They can take your generation 10 years in the nation to come. They don't care for you. How can you go and welcome Obaseki in London for what? For the bullshit Obaseki have been doing in my state? For sleeping welcoming Obaseki for sleeping in conference? For sleeping in the governor go to a conference meeting, in the world conference meeting, went to go and sleep? That is the award. Okay, you want to give him award as the best sleeper? As the best sleeper?
Who they give an award? The person they give an award is very crazy.
Our whole barbarian people where they for London, where we say they don't want more than where they Nigeria even better. They don't want more than they call the oga. They don't want more than they call them for money. They don't even want more. They don't want more than they give them that respect. They don't want even want make life better for my brother. I swear, they don't want to do it all day for Europe. They don't want make life better for Nigeria, my brother. They don't want more than you think that darkness you not there because God don't do it for them. They don't fit they don't they walk oh. See, I mean I narrate them. They don't they walk oh. They come and they give them money oh. Government go pay their key.
My brother, no problem. Nigeria youth don't open our eye. Anybody don't open eye now.
I bet me will open now.
You don't open eye. You understand? Just cool down, yeah. Just cool down. No problem. 2019. Play. Even PDP and APC go hear that.
They go hear what? They go hear what? God bless you, my God.
You know why? You know why? Nigeria people, Nigeria youth, now ready to die. 2019.
We are ready, oh.
Nigeria used to only to die. You understand? You know why? The people, nobody no front. So now people want to die. 2019, everybody will carry gun. They fire ourselves.
My God,
you understand?
If
you enter everywhere, see Niger, nobody see Niger here. See Niger. See, if you enter Niger there, nobody can enter there anyhow. No president there. Because
you are even talking of Niger. Me, I tell you, you get one village for Niger, for inside Niger. That village, na Duruku that they call am. See that Niger, that Duruku, now it be the base way be say.
Yes.
Now only sand, red sand. Now I tell they build house for that village. But I stayed there for 3 months, my brother. Like not since one day. Like not take one day, one single day. Like not for 3 months at that village for Niger. For Niger,
you know
they be the level chop once in a day.
Go. Only Niger never reach Lagos. Niger not plenty. Nigerians, in fact, just cool down. 2019, Nigeria just cool down. Everybody don't open our eye. You understand? Everybody open our eye. Let everybody open our eye in Nigeria. Yeah, because see what they happen for Osun State election and Ekiti. See what they do. If they use money, they bribe to before you go vote. Go everywhere. APC they bribe, PDP they bribe. All of them, the two of them are 419. That is the only two of them.
Okay, make I tell you. Person wey rule country for 4 years. If he rule am good, he don't need to campaign again. You understand? If you rule your country good for first 4 years, you don't need to campaign again for the next one. So if you are campaigning for the next one, which means you didn't do good.
Yes, you don't need to bribe. If you do well, people can serve you well.
Of course.
If you do bad, people can reject you.
Obama did not campaign in the second election because he do good.
Yes.
When you do good, you don't need to campaign. My people, I beg my brothers where they watch me. I just a chat this morning. Not be say I mean.
If
I
you see
to chat,
all these people, they come down. All these people they say na Kaba, and all this Baba Saleh and Co. Now they scatter the Nigeria. All these people they told you say na Baba Saleh, this one Baba Saleh, this one Baba Saleh. Now they scatter our country. You understand? If all these people not die, this Nigeria cannot move forward. All these people now then they do all this and let them put this one there. This let them put this one because of their own benefits. You understand? Now because of all these benefits. That's why then they do like that. So God will punish them one by one. Anybody they destroy our, they sell our product, they sell our property.
Oh, thank you very much, my brother. Thank you for the contribution.
Thank you.
May I put in one person before I come on? Thank you very much, brother. God bless you. Open our eye. Another star, bro. Bros, if you not be change down for there, we were there abroad. Go come use our small money, our small wisdom, hold on, collect this straight because of the old men. That make us the chase. That make us the body.
Before I go, I want to say something.
Okay,
let all of us vote. If you want to vote, don't tell anybody the person want to vote. You understand? Just collect your 50. Just 2019. Make sure first for this young guy. So he's very nice person. So is very nice.
This guy is talking from Nigeria.
Yes, let youth support that guy. The guy is very nice person.
Okay.
You understand?
You,
so
bro.
let
God
all of us. You see that guy, nobody can beat it, nobody can do anything now because that guy is in the system of the US.
Yes.
The 2019 now, 2019, the guy don't make everything the social video. He put everything online. So anything they go on Nigeria, people they monitor it in US.
Of course.
So just good. Bless you.
Thank you very much, my brother. God bless you, bro. God bless you, bro.
Amen,
as one of the youth will be saying, man, I beg, as one of you will you know, same lights they come 219. Yeah, I know. Understand? My people where they London. A network, I verse a network, I already verse. I see you now. I also mean they want to go work on, they want go. Me I tell now, 219 at the end of their evil. 219 at the evil. You understand? Because we were there so and we don't think out of box. Now make we get the reason. Now where see they London, where see they where civilized, where government for the rule where same this for the go where. Good morning.
Hello, my brother. Good morning. This is Oluwatomi Kende calling from Russia.
Russia, from Russia. You see, man, God go Russia bless you, give you this money, bros.
Amen. Amen.
I
I'm
just
going to our own blessed people for Nigeria with Omoyele Sowore. So he's the man with so much trust. And what we actually need in that country now is revolution. And this man has brought it to our table. We have been crying out loud ever since that we need revolution, we need change in that country.
Bro,
and
please,
this
sorry,
is
may I ask one question? I bet, bros, no first, get one question when I want to ask. Is it a right thing at this stage of Nigeria for anybody to plan a award for a governor in Nigeria? Any Nigeria award, you want to be honored in Nigeria? Any governor want to be honored in Nigeria right now? Can you tell me?
See,
can you tell me the governor who wants to be honored?
This is what we call corruption of the highest order.
Okay.
And it has started from Edo State right from day one.
Okay.
Right from the day that Obaseki was sworn in as the governor of Edo State, he signed a bill to build mansion for Oshomole. It was the first time a sitting governor is going out. Then the next governor will be signing a bill to build mansion for that going out, outgoing governors. What an insane country. What an insane country. He's one of the stupid governors I've ever seen in that Nigeria. I'm sorry to say. And it's a very disappointment to Edo people. This is a big fuck up. And he's the first governor that will go for a conference and he will be sleeping in a conference. It's a pity. I pity Edo people that they have a bad and a wrong governor, a wrong leader in Oshomole and Obaseki. It is a wrong leaders. So it is time, and I'm happy now because even Edo people are now awake. They are awake. Most of them are saying the truth. They are awake, and they have been joining hands together now with this Omoyele Sowore Take It Back movement. I'm not only a supporter of Omoyele Sowore, I'm a supporter of a good Nigeria. And if I see anybody from any part of the country that is going to bring a radical change to that country, I'm going to fully support the person because even me, I'm an activist like Omoyele Sowore. I'm a journalist too, like him. So I know what it takes to call for a change. I have seen a lot of darkness in Nigeria before. I have seen a prison where people will go to a prison without going to any court. I have seen different people have gone on different trials. I have seen a lot of atrocities when it comes to politics in Nigeria. Even when you are talking about Saraki of all people too, that one that we journalists go to court. His court case then in Abuja when I was working as a journalist in Abuja. That man will tell journalists, his media group will tell journalists, okay, this is what they should write for him. What an insane country. A country that has been doomed in darkness. That is the country we are today. Thank you very much for what you are doing. Please, let us all continue. Not only Omoyele Sowore should be going live now. Even with the supporters, in your own little time, go as you are doing now. I will advise other people that are watching us. Let us try our possible best to go live, spread this gospel of truth that is coming to Nigeria. Find one way or the other to bring solutions to this problem, diplomatic problem that has caused to Nigerian citizens. It is very diplomatic to the extent that they have criminalized our economy. They have criminalized our religion. They have criminalized every aspect of our good factor. There's no angle that has not been criminalized. I was so ashamed when I saw some people saying that, what is the population of Liberia if George Weah give them free education to the tertiary student? Is that what we should be saying when we have the resources to even feed all the nations? All the nations in the world. In Africa, we have the resources to feed them. Let's say Nigeria is the owner of all Africa, South Africa, Egypt, Morocco, Senegal, and the rest. We have the resources only in Nigeria to feed this country. But some people, as one way or the other, colonize these resources and said it is their own, and allow the masses to erupt in poverty. And now Nigeria is the poverty highest of the world. What a sin, my brother! What a sin! See, what is a sin to humanity and our God. And see, what I told my friend that I called in Italy just now. I told him, see, if we are all prophets, we shouldn't allow any prophet to deceive us anymore. Of course, we are all prophets. I have prophesied that Sowore will be my next president. Amen. So you to prophesy. Even my sister here is prophesying that Sowore will be the next president. Yes, even the pastors are prophesying it. So, even the pastors are saying it all over. The pastors are saying it. I don't even want to listen to any pastor because they are the same. They are with their religious cabal. I don't want to listen to them. Even Adeboye, Kumu, anybody, name the pastor, I don't want to hear them. As I am, I don't go to church anymore. I have my church in my mind. My church is in my heart because I can't allow people to be deceiving me and collecting my money for every day, every time. If we are suffering here in Europe, we are suffering and taking the money back to Nigeria, and those people, the money we are taking to Nigeria has no meaning to us. If you have millions in Nigeria, my brother, today, if you go back, they will finish that money within a twinkle of an eye. So what are you sending that money for? It's better you even use the money to feed yourself in Europe,
of course,
rather than sending your money down to Nigeria.
I want to ask question. People where they London, so we want Obaseki, so they want give her the best award of the best sleeping governor.
My brother, let me tell you the secret of them. Those people in London, they are those people that did not work. They don't work. They don't do anything. They are those people that Nigeria government and British government are sponsoring. They are those people that are receiving from the British government for 400 euros, and they don't do any work. Let me tell you the truth. They don't do any work. They are just the political cabals in Europe. You can't see a young man like you in Europe giving award to Obaseki.
Yes, bros.
Let me
go on. Everybody that I have speak to in this Europe that supporting APC, they are old people. They are from 40, 50. You cannot see young boys like us supporting. The only old people that are tired in life, they have frustrated in life. They just want all the whole country to be frustrated so that, out of too much frustration, for one of the little bit frustration person will become the head. That's just their plan. You understand? Those people, they are supporting him. They are just supporting him for being say, I beg, leave and make it there without reason. Without a single reason of support. It's abomination. It's abomination. It's abomination. This thing you are doing and honoring a criminal is abomination. I never expect a honor a criminal from people in London. I didn't expect it. Oshomole is a criminal, and Oshomole born Adams Oshomole, he born Obaseki. So Obaseki is also a son of a criminal because both of them, they are the same thing. Please, Edo people in London, please, change for the betterment of Nigeria. Please change. Let me bring in the last person before I go, please. Last person, please, my people. It's very, very annoying, and I'm very, very crazy about this. For me to see people, yeah.
Hello,
Good morning,
my brother.
What's up?
I'm fine, brother. I'm seeing your video call. I'm very happy.
Yeah, bro. Please, I want to ask a question. What is the, as if you want to give a word to Obaseki or to governor, who should any governor in Nigeria what award this time around from Nigeria people?
Nah, I'm Nigeria person. I'm from Edo State. I'm from Moromi.
Okay.
But I'm based in Europe, in Italy.
Okay.
Yeah, I always to tell my people, now let our Nigeria people, let us take him back. We need a young guy in president because of our Nigeria youth. Because the president now, he said that Nigeria youth, they are very lazy. Now, we are youth, let us, everybody to mobilize, to tell our fellow people in Nigeria, our brothers and sisters, our mother, we are going to take our Nigeria back. Let them vote for APC because now we don't have governor. We don't have governor in Edo State. Our governor in Edo State killed Edo State. He killed our people. This man is very try. I love this man very well. Iranomigo is very try. I always to watch Iranomigo. Iranomigo is very thought through. First of all, Iranomigo thought through is this our governor Baseke. I'm from Uromi. I don't really see anything what they do. Tell our people, tell our brothers and sisters in Nigeria. Even we are Europe now, we cannot go to Nigeria to go and vote. It's just our people in Nigeria. Let us tell them, vote for our people, our person to mobilize AAC to win for taking back is year 2019.
Thank you very much, my brother. God bless you. Please,
because
Nigeria.
we need our president, a young guy. He will do us very well. If we have many things in Nigeria, we have something. Italy don't have food. Italy don't have, because our Nigeria is not good. That is why everybody run to this Europe country. If Nigeria are good, I know this our president, he will say everybody come back home. If you come back home, you see what you are doing.
Ah,
We
man,
need
God
take
bless
him
you, my
back.
brother. God bless
We
you. I
need take
beg.
him back.
May we
Because
try.
in
Anybody
these
wanna
people
try?
where they
May
are
they
not doing
mobilize.
anything.
Even though na poster, now if you print for your street, print am for your street. Even though na
That is
one
what,
planner, if you do am for your street. Do something. Hey,
bros,
see
I
this
don't feel
community
like
in
you.
Edo State.
In my time, I don't lie you. In my time, I asked the AAC is never reached there. Take it back, he never reached there.
They go reach it.
I want to know who is the person of the Uromi,
Okay,
Ishan people like
this
that. I
evening,
want
see,
to know.
this evening by 7
Yes.
o'clock or 8 o'clock, I go day
Yes.
live with a state coordinator of AAC of Edo State.
Yeah.
So we bring all the people, anybody you want to contact in your area, you will bring all the number
Okay.
for you and we will bring
Please,
them
I want to contact and let me know because I need
okay, I will.
taking. They will always to follow me.
I will send you the I will send you the number of the person who is controlling Ruromi, the coordinator there. I will send you the number. We will try to do something together to make something happen. You know. So,
I beg. I need the taking battle win in my city, in my village.
Don't worry.
Now.
And later in the evening, I will bring up the state chairman of the AAC.
Okay.
I will bring it up to my line. Then we will discuss. Then we talk. It will tell people who is everybody we know today. Everybody we know who is coordinating the zone and the local government.
Okay.
Everybody will see coordinator today. We will talk about it today. So thank you very much, my brother. God bless you, bro.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
Yeah. Yeah. Leave you guys like this because actually I did very, very angry. I know you just want to stay like this, but if they pay me, I don't put it London more not for my hand. I love Una too much. I'm going to use all those now. Yeah. I know people if you do people like Corito don't know if you do all those things. I know them. I know my fans where they don't know if you do all these things. All those old men wait like don't tire finish. We don't want to make their fellow brother better. Now that they do that thing. Why can you give Obaseki honor? For what? What kind of honor? Honor of sleeping? Let me just strip this guy before I move because I think please the last person come up before I go please because I'm about to go now. So my other people wait to beg now.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning, my guy. How are you now?
Thank you so much. I'm calling from Italy. My name is Tony.
Tony. Yeah, I see him. Tony. How's it not be Kabaka?
No, we Kabaka, my brother. Even if it's like Kabaka, we need Kabaka. We need Kabaka to mobilize people for AAC.
Yeah. Kabaka is my man. No shaking. Kabaka is
my man. We are not rejecting anybody. We are trying to fight for the country.
Even the witch and wizard, we are not rejecting them. Bros, I want to ask you one question. Wait till Obaseki don't do for Benin where they want to make her give her honor for London.
No, they're not going to give criminal. See, the meaning why they do those things, they say, why did they try to? Because we love the people, the oppressors. You understand? That's the main problem. And the only thing can make us to come out mind for those things now development. Okay. If development we can get a good leader, when development don't come Nigeria, people will change their mind. Say, really, something like this will happen for this country. You know, from there, people mind go change. You understand? We still in love with our oppressor. That is really problem where people they support Obaseki. Obaseki is not doing the job. He's not doing anything in those states.
He's been in circumference.
You understand? So
I don't know. I beg. My people wait in London. I beg. If this time around you support AAC, APC, and PDP, you are just a devil candidate. You are just a devil agent. I believe me, you are just a devil agent. Because you know that these people cannot lead us to anywhere, and these people are not ready to take us to anywhere. You are just supporting them because you want to be boss in your house. Please, this is not the time for boss. This is not the time to bow for anybody. This is the time to stand for your rights. This is the time to stand for your freedom. This is the time to fight for your peace and unity because of your children, unborn children. Because these people, they don't use our own life, borrow money. They can't use our children who will never born. They borrow money. The one where all those ones never born, they don't use and borrow money. Waiting. That's what they do. So one day now, we change our style, we relocate, we position stay renovate. If we not renovate, we go depreciate. If we depreciate, we go work in vain. If we work in vain, we go cry again. And if we cry again, we go for grave. And the matter, we don't want to go grave. I beg, my people, I beg. We will change style. We will change style. We will relocate. We position stay renovate that country.
My brother, yes, not to lie. My brother, I want to show you one thing. There's no amount of two.
It's crazy, man. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. Those people, you are making me crazy. You guys are doing me weary. You know, you guys are doing me, my head go every day. Eh? London. A whole London people. A whole London people. A whole people in London. You want to honor a criminal? What about the education? They say travel is a part of education. What about the explosion, everything you guys have gathered in Europe? Don't you know that to honor a criminal is a crime? All our politicians, they are criminals. They are thieves. Oshomole built another country in Edo State with our money.
Yes, now, and he must pay. And he must pay for that. Wallah, unless we not serve this God.
220. And they go, Obaseki, you are out. I will come. If I don't see anybody will collect that from you, and I'll come contest that post. No level. And I go feed.
Amen. And inshallah, you go get them.
The craze. If anybody don't come out, me I dey come and go collect that post from me. You don't get what you want to do. This is just either you like it or you don't like it, because we don't beg people again to give us this power. It's our turn to rule, and we must rule it. This is our time to shine. We must make
and my advice for people, make people start to renovate their brain. This is not the time where they're going to deceive us. For how many years? 58 years now, they deceive us. Yeah. As we not go try to they think. Eh?
Somebody asked me that day, say, can you rule Nigeria? Listen, if I become Nigeria president today, I will be better than those that ruled it before 1 million times.
Yes.
1 million
That's the
times. Truth. Because I know when to fix the right thing at the right place. Don't deceive yourself. You can rule it. Anybody can rule that Nigeria. Nigeria is not what they think that Nigeria is. Just give them infrastructure, give them electricity, give them a good
everything is finished.
Give these people alone to live their life.
My brother, we are taking it back. I want to assure you one thing. There's no amount of things people will do. Omole Sowore is the president.
I not go sleep to waste sense. I love you too much. I not go sleep to waste sense. Not be joke. We all just suffer for this life. We don't follow desert, follow sea. Go slavery, go prison, go everything. Just to say, man, move for 5 fish of ourselves. Because our government don't fail us. You understand? We don't suffer too much for this. Today, because it's nonsense. Because they congratulate nonsense. We don't big pass that rubbish. Because why? Everything we did today, when Nigeria man they do today night for himself, no government they support them. So for we to the same thing we do on ourselves, we must talk about ourselves. You understand? But I know as I grow this, so nothing we government don't offer for my life. Nothing.
Nobody government don't offer anything.
I remember when I did GSS City, then they pay 350 naira for school fees. Automatically they increase that to 850. Now we go fight that riot that time before they cost it no one out to 400. All those things are normal thing where we say they do for our lives is they will take on us. You understand? You don't tell that they do us.
Yes, my brother. I use this media to talk to my brothers and sisters for Europe. We not feel vote. But I beg all my brothers and sisters, I beg, make una call una family, make una pick una phone.
They say we not feel vote. Listen, they say we not feel vote. Not be so they think. We na hold PVC holder. Hold PVC holder. That would be my guy. They house. Nothing they far. Nothing they happen. And I dare my body, my soul, my spirit. You understand? No guy want to happen rich. This election, no go feel run up my back. You know crazy rich. Because I don't. It is all the best. Me say, how did they happen? People said. Don't say person not get PVC. They crazy. And if you say we dey Europe, not get. Guy, anything we are told we want happen. Only way I tell people say, if you want to change the government, you start changing it from your house. Even though na one AAC poster, put them for your house. Don't let people talk, say they don't know am. Make them know am. Make them know that party, man. We will take this thing over.
Make them know that party, AAC, African Action Congress.
Yes, just print poster, give your brother money, print poster, put them for the street there. So that people they know about ourselves. We go fit do one. Understand?
Yeah,
We
that.
you don't care it be.
Not be lying. Thank you so much.
Publicity. Edo State need the publicity of AAC. So if anybody can print poster in your street, don't give anybody money. Just give your junior brother money. Print poster. Put am for my street. Make them know for my street. You understand?
Not be lying. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. God bless you. Continue doing your good work. We are taking it back 2019.
Please, let's not waste time rubbish. King Obas, I hey bro, I see you. I'll call you later, Baba. So please, my brothers and sisters, I think it's enough. I don't know the talker. So I beg, any year it happen, make we try. Make people know they honor thief again. To honor thief, nice sin. You understand? To welcome thief at all to your house, nice crime, nice sin. So that's just the game. I love you guys, man. I don't people in London, wake up and take it back. Forget about rubbish.